This video is for admins who subscribe to products with single user access or introducing a new feature in your Autodesk account that will equip you with the data necessary to make better management and buying decisions, product usage reporting. After signing in with your Autodesk ID and password, click on Seat Usage to see your full list of reports for subscriptions with single user access. You will see a summary of your total users who opened and used the products and collections you assigned them, how many products are in use during the time frame set, and the total number of seats you've subscribed to. You can click to change the time frame from this month to 12 months to narrow in on the data you need. If you want to take a closer look at your data in an analysis tool of your choice, use the Export as CSV button in the top right corner. For grouped products like collections, you can click to dive deeper into the specific data of the products included. In this product design and manufacturing collection, you can see the products being used to get greater insight into how your team is taking advantage of your investments. Click on By Product to see each of the products you subscribe to broken down by number of users using each product or collection over your selected time period, and a visual preview of the last 6 months of usage. This will help you to get a quick snapshot of your team's productivity. Click Details of any product to see more details. You'll be able to see the total seats you've subscribed to in comparison with the total number of users that are actually using the product to help ensure your team is getting the most out of your investment. The frequency chart allows you to empower and support your team by providing you the data on how often your team is using products, frequently, moderately, or infrequently, measured by average days used per week. The final chart shows users by version. You can access this chart to avoid version conflicts and ensure team alignment. For collections, click Details to access a summary of total seats subscribed to versus total users assigned to again ensure that you're getting the most use out of your collection. Click on the product list to access a specific product within a collection and see the same level of detail as other products: seats versus users assigned, frequency of usage, and version overview. Make sure your team is adopting the right products to be effective for your business goals. Product usage reporting empowers you to make better purchasing and management decisions based on data to increase team productivity and alignment. With this information, you can now be more efficient in managing products, ensure team productivity, and have proof to show that your investments are making a strong impact. For more information, visit our knowledge network at autodesk.com/seatusage.